Let's make our class a little more interesting by adding a so-called instance method which returns the flight number. Methods are just functions defined within the class, and instance methods are functions which can be called on objects, or instances, of our class, such as f. Instance methods must accept a reference to the instance on which the method was called as the first argument, and by convention this argument is always called self. We have no way of configuring the flight number value yet, so we'll just return a constant string. Now from a fresh REPL, let's import that and see how it works. Notice that when we call the method, we do not provide the instance f for the actual argument self in the argument list. That's because the standard method invocation form with the dot is simply syntactic sugar for the class name, followed by a dot, followed by the method name with the instance passed as the first argument. If you try the latter, you'll find that it works as expected, although you'll almost never see this form used for real.